this cabin project in my spare time. It's 100% do-it-yourself, minus we ordered this building from an Amish group outside of Roberts, Montana here. And this is just kind of our pilot project here on this property. We have 60 acres. I'd like at least 2 of these rental buildings to create enough passive income that it basically pays for my property. But anyway, it's a super cool building. It's you know, it's built like a shed, but we did nice siding. It's house wrapped, got a metal roof on it, good Pella windows. So it's a great little building. Really nice little front porch on it here. So people will be able to come here. There's really good trout fishing in this river. We call it a river, but this name is Rock Creek. There's a few different tributary creeks off of Rock Creek, and this building happens to sit right here, right on one. And there's tons of fish in all of these. So great fishing, lots of wildlife here, lots of moose, which is why we named this Moose Meadow Cabins. So stay tuned, watch me turn this thing into a successful rental.